Quadratic equations. Quadratic equations we study in class 8, class 9 and class 10. Solve the quadratic equations x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. First of all, the given quadratic equations compare standard quadratic equations. Now standard quadratic equations. Standard quadratic equations is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. This equation is standard quadratic equations, and now in those given quadratic equations compare x square bx plus c. First of term compare first term of given equation, second term compare second given equations term, and the c third term compare the given quadratic equations. The value of coefficient of x equal to coefficient of x square equal to 1, the called value of a. Coefficient of x equal to plus 5, the value of b. And now coefficient constant value is 6, is called c. The value of a is equal to 1, value of b equal to plus 5, and value of c plus 6. Solve the given equations by using quadratic formula. The name of formula is Sridhar Acharya methods. X equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Put the values minus b, put the values a, b and c in the formulas. X equal to value of b minus of 5 plus minus next b square, it means 5 square minus 4 into value of a 1, and now value of c equal to 6 divided by 2 into value of a 1. X equal to minus 5 plus minus 5 square, it means 5 into 5 25 minus 4 into 1 into 6 is 24 divided by 2 into 1 2 equal to minus 5 plus minus 25 minus 24 equal to 1 divided by 1. Square root of 1 equal to 1. Now minus 5 plus minus 1 by 2. To solve the equations and value of x1 equal to, put minus 1 values. Minus 5 minus 1 divided by 2 equal to minus of 6 divided by 2 equal to minus of 3, and the value of x2 equal to, put plus 1. Why? कि 1 plus 1 and 2, जो आपके पास 1 है वो प्लस 1 में भी है और प्लस -1 में भी है, +1 में भी है। तो x2 इज इक्वल टू -5 + 1 डिवाइड बाई 2। -5 + 1 इक्वल टू -4 डिवाइड बाई 2 इक्वल टू -2। तो वैल्यू ऑफ x1 इक्वल टू -3 एंड वैल्यू ऑफ x2 इक्वल टू -2। तो गिवन क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन x² + 5x + 6 इक्वल टू 2 इक्वल टू 0। टू आइडेंटिफाई सॉल्यूशंस x1 and x2। now solve solution x1 equal to -3 and x2 equal to -2. Solve the quadratic equations by using Sridhar Acharya methods. Thank you.